Alright, so I'm going to try and do this again, but make sure that I do it on widescreen. Apparently it's incredibly hard to watch a video when I do it the other way. He's been playing with this toy now for an hour straight. Not kidding you. Just can't quite get enough of it. It's a cat toy. It's got this little mouse that goes around inside of it and drives him crazy, but he just won't give up. So he's discovered that if he gets his mouth in the right spot, he can pick it up by the mouse, but the mouse doesn't come out, which just pisses him off even more. Cobie, can you bring it here? Bring it here, bud. Bring it here. Oh, that's a good boy. You flipped it. Don't flip it. Hang on. Gimme. No, not under the couch. Oh. There you go. Get it, bud. There. Now everybody can see the mouse in it. Cheater. Well, buddy. Oh, God. So pissed. I'm gonna get this mouse. Yeah. Get it, bud. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, God. Oh, with the paws and pushing it under furniture. You can't get it if it's under the furniture. Get it, Papa. Yeah. Oh. And he's done.